Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. The Head TS6 tennis racket is a lightweight, pre-strung adult tennis racket designed for intermediate players who want easy power and control. With its extended 27.75-inch length and head-heavy balance, it helps generate stronger shots with less effort. Priced around $99, this racket offers excellent value for recreational and intermediate players. It delivers premium-like performance at a budget-friendly cost, making it one of the most popular entry to mid-level tennis rackets. The TS6 features a graphite and titanium frame, combining strength with lightweight handling at just 8.9 ounces. The oversized head increases the sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits. Its head-heavy balance improves power generation, especially for baseline shots. The pre-strung setup means it's ready to use right away. The extended length provides extra reach for defensive and deep court play. A 4 3/8-inch grip ensures a comfortable hold for most adult players. Pros: very lightweight, large sweet spot, powerful shots, beginner-friendly feel, great price-performance ratio. Cons: less control for advanced players, head-heavy balance may feel slightly less maneuverable at the net, not ideal for professional-level precision play. Overall, the Head TS6 is a powerful, forgiving, and budget-friendly racket perfect for improving intermediate players. Number 4. The Wilson Tour Slam tennis racket is a beginner-friendly recreational racket designed for adult players who want easy power, comfort, and simple control right from the start. At just around $36.99, this racket is extremely budget-friendly. It's a great entry-level option for new players who want decent performance without spending much money. The racket is built with a combination of aluminum and carbon fiber, offering a balance between durability and lightweight feel. It comes in a standard 4 3/8-inch grip size, suitable for most adult hands. Weighing about 1 pound, it provides stability and helps generate solid power on shots. The frame design is focused on forgiveness, making it easier to hit consistent shots even if you're not always striking the ball perfectly. Its large head size improves the sweet spot, which is ideal for beginners learning timing and control. The pre-strung setup means it's ready to use immediately. Pros: very affordable, beginner-friendly, solid power, large sweet spot, durable build. Cons: heavier than performance rackets, limited advanced control, not suitable for competitive or intermediate level play. Overall, the Wilson Tour Slam is a solid starter racket for casual and beginner tennis players who want easy playability at a low cost. Number 3. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 ULV14 is a lightweight performance tennis racket designed for intermediate players who want precision, control, and a classic Pro Staff feel in a much easier-to-handle frame. Priced around $139, this racket sits in the mid-range performance category. It delivers premium Pro Staff control and feel at a more accessible weight and price, making it great value for improving players. This racket uses braid 45 graphite construction, giving it a solid, stable feel with improved ball feedback. At just 9.49 ounces, it is one of the lighter Pro Staff models, making it easier to swing in, ideal for players transitioning into control-focused frames. The 97 SQ and head size provides a blend of precision and manageable forgiveness. It comes pre-strung with Wilson Sensation 16 strings at mid-range tension, offering a good balance of comfort and playability. The frame is built entirely with graphite materials, enhancing stability and responsiveness. Its 4 1/8 grip size is suited for players who prefer a smaller, more precise handle feel. Pros: excellent control, lightweight for easy handling, premium feel, great stability for its weight, pre-strung and ready to play. Cons: smaller sweet spot than beginner rackets, less power assistance, not ideal for total beginners, requires good technique for best results. Overall, the Wilson Pro Staff 97 ULV14 is a refined control racket perfect for intermediate players who want precision and a professional-style feel without heavy weight. Number 2. The Head Geospeed tennis racket is a beginner-friendly, pre-strung adult racket designed for easy power, comfort, and stable performance right from the first swing. At around $54.99, it offers strong value for beginners. It sits in the affordable range while still delivering reliable build quality and good on-court performance for casual play. The racket features a titanium frame with a graphite shaft, giving it a good mix of strength and flexibility. Its 27.5-inch extended length helps generate extra reach and leverage, making it easier to hit deeper shots. Weighing about 10.4 ounces, it provides stability and solid ball control without feeling too light or flimsy. The light balanced design helps beginners swing more naturally and generate power with less effort. It comes pre-strung, so it's ready to use immediately. The 4 3/8-inch grip size fits most adult players comfortably, offering a secure hold during rallies. Pros: affordable price, extended reach, good power assistance, durable titanium build, beginner-friendly feel. Cons: slightly heavier than performance rackets, limited advanced control, not ideal for competitive or intermediate-level precision play. Overall, the Head Geospeed is a solid starter racket for beginners who want easy power, stability, and a forgiving playing experience. Number 1. The Wilson Tour Slam Tennis Racket is an affordable recreational racket designed for adult players of all skill levels who want easy power and simple playability. At just around $36.99, this is one of the most budget-friendly tennis rackets available. It's a great value choice for beginners or casual players who want to start playing without a big investment. This racket is built with a durable aluminum frame, making it strong and long-lasting for casual use. The carbon fiber shaft adds a bit of flexibility and shock absorption for more comfortable swings. Weighing only about 0.68 pounds, it feels lightweight and easy to handle during rallies. The 4 1/4-inch grip size is slightly smaller, offering better control for players with smaller hands or those who prefer a tighter grip. Its design focuses on forgiveness, helping players make cleaner contact even with off-center hits. The pre-strung setup allows you to start playing immediately without extra setup. Pros: very cheap, lightweight, easy to swing, beginner-friendly, durable build for casual play. Cons: less power than higher-end rackets, limited precision, not suitable for advanced or competitive players. If you're looking for a budget-friendly starter racket, this is a solid pick. Check the link in the description for more details and current deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tennis gear reviews.